If you're tired of the same old animal facts and crave something truly surprising from the ocean's depths, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the world of a creature with one of the weirdest names in the sea, the false killer whale. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one because these whales are full of surprises that most people have never even heard about. Get ready to have your mind blown by one of the ocean's most mysterious and misunderstood stars. First things first, let's clear up the confusion about that name. The false killer whale isn't some kind of ocean prankster pretending to be a killer whale. Nope, it's not in disguise, and it's definitely not trying to fool anyone. The name actually comes from scientists who, way back in the 19th century, thought this whale looked a lot like the famous orca, or killer whale. When they first found its skull, they noticed some similarities, so they called it the false killer whale. But don't let the name trick you. These whales are their own unique species with their own quirks and personalities. They're not fake, just fabulously different. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Unlike some whales that prefer to be loners, false killer whales are total social butterflies. They love hanging out in big groups called pods, and sometimes these pods can have over 100 members. Imagine a giant family reunion, but underwater, with everyone chatting, playing, and working together. These pods aren't just for show. They help the whales hunt, protect each other, and even raise their young as a team. And get this, false killer whales are some of the most generous creatures in the ocean. They're known for sharing their food with their friends and family. If one whale catches a tasty fish, it might pass a piece to another whale nearby. This kind of sharing is super rare in the animal kingdom and shows just how close-knit these pods really are. It's like having a built-in support system where everyone looks out for each other. But don't think these whales are just about socializing. They're also incredible athletes. False killer whales can swim at jaw-dropping speeds, reaching over 18 miles per hour. That's faster than most Olympic swimmers, and it helps them chase down fast-moving prey like squid and fish. Their sleek, torpedo-shaped bodies are built for speed, letting them slice through the water with almost no effort. These whales aren't just fast, they're playful too. They love to leap out of the water, sometimes soaring high above the waves in spectacular displays. And they're not shy about making friends with other ocean animals. False killer whales have been spotted playing with dolphins, racing alongside them, and even teaming up to hunt. Sometimes they'll travel over 1,000 miles together, exploring new parts of the ocean in search of their next big meal. Their playful nature makes them one of the most entertaining animals to watch in the wild. Now you might be wondering, are false killer whales dangerous to people? With a name like that, it's a fair question, but here's the truth. These whales are actually known for being gentle and curious around humans. Divers and researchers have reported that false killer whales often approach them out of curiosity, sometimes even swimming alongside boats or playing in the wake. There's no record of them attacking people in the wild, so you can rest easy knowing they're more interested in making friends than causing trouble. In fact, false killer whales have shown some